Elite Gourmet Toaster. The Elite Gourmet ECT 3100 long slot 4-slice toaster combines functionality and style for your kitchen. Its extra long slots are designed to accommodate a variety of bread sizes, from standard slices to artisan and specialty loaves. With 6 adjustable browning levels, you can achieve the perfect toast every time. The toaster features a reheat, defrost, and cancel function for versatile toasting options. Its stainless steel finish adds a sleek, modern touch to any countertop. The built-in warming rack is perfect for heating pastries or keeping toast warm. A convenient slide-out crumb tray ensures easy cleanup after use. The cool touch exterior enhances safety during operation. Compact yet efficient, it's ideal for busy mornings or family breakfasts. Enjoy perfectly toasted bread with the Elite Gourmet ECT 3100 long slot 4-slice toaster.